in this video I'll explain how our software works and some of the features. Okay, so I'm logged in as an admin right now, as you can see. So inside the dashboard on the first page you can see some of the statistics. Just let me go through quickly. Total purchase due, total sales due, so total sales amount, expense amount, total purchase, payment received, sales, today's total sales, today's total expense. And there are total 7 customers in our system right now registered, 8 suppliers, and purchase invoice, as you can see, sales invoice. And there are little more statistics here. Purchase and sales bar chart, recently added items, expired items. This is actually we can define in the product expiry date somewhere, and then stock alerts, and the last one is, as you can see here, so trending products. You can even actually download this as PNG or something. You can see, yeah. So this is about the dashboard in one view. And then if we go into the sales panel, as you can see, there are options for sales, then the customers, then the purchase, then the suppliers, items, expense, places, reports, users, SMS gateway, so we can send SMS to customers or whoever the user is, probably the suppliers and so on, and then some settings. So in the sales we have the POS here, as you can see. So we can select the customer from here, or it can be a walk-in customer, and then we can actually search product by barcode. We can select the product category from this site. We can select the brands. So if we select the casual t-shirt, as you can see, it was filtered instantly. If we select the brand from here, we can see that it's with the quantity, as you can see. So let's say we keep adding, we add more. Now we can actually adjust the quantity. We can click on the discount and we can apply discount here. Discount, let's say 20%, I don't know. So we got some discount here. I don't know, yeah. So okay, so you can even send SMS to customer. I think this is a walk-in customer, so he's not going to get SMS anyway. But for the other customers who are registered into the system, we can do it for them. So you can hold the invoice with a reference number, something, anything you want. And we can actually accept payments in multiple chunks. We can accept the cash, total items 14, total discount, price, total paying, balance, and so on. So we can pay all. And as you can see, after the sale was completed, it automatically generated a sales invoice here. So it has a sales invoice, and as you can see, so this is automatically generated PDF, as you can see here. So it has the full details, invoice number, and the products. It's actually completely printable before tax amount, other charges, total paid, change, return, previous due, customer due, and so on. They can even QR code this. So yeah, this is for it. So we can even do it for a registered customer, and we can do something like, let's say we want to, for now, save just as it is, so we can actually capture payments later on, so we can go to the dashboard, we can see all the sales list, and then we can, as you can see, the last customer we just did the sales for. So I can actually receive payments. We can view sales. We can view sales in whole. So this is the thing here. As you can see, we can print it, we can invoice it, we can do so much thing. We can print it, we can do PDF generation, we can do PDF generation, we can even assign a sales return for this order. So sales return for this order, you can see. So yeah, this is how it works. And then I can show you, this is the customers panel. Actually, we can list all the customers, we can import customers, we can add new customers. The same thing applies for the purchase as just like the sale. So we can apply new sales, so we can select the supplier from our suppliers list. Here you can add new suppliers, so we can select the purchase date, we can select the status as received, pending, or orders. Yeah, then we can probably some reference number, and then we can apply, we can get items from our dashboard, I mean from our panel. So for which product we are purchasing, we can adjust the quantity here, items, tax, we can discount, tax amount, unit cost, total amount, and so on. So this is the total quantity, subtotal, other charges. There are lots of charges here, pending payments, and we can save it, and the purchase will be received here. So yeah, so purchase will be received here. The suppliers list is same like the customers list. Then we have the items list. The items list actually holds all the items that we have right now in the inventory. We can add new items from here. Then item code, item name, brand, category, unit, as pieces, box, grams, packets, and so on. SKU, minimum quantity, expiry date. Expiry date, we can set expiry date for products. Then we have the barcode, we have description, we have product image, we have the price, tax, purchase price, tax type, profit margin 10%, as you can see, sales price, final price, and we can apply discount type, discount, current stock is what is the current stock. We can adjust the stock by plus or minus. Like let's say we had the 18, as you can see, I don't know why. So if we like 80, so it will get added, so just like this, because if we plus or minus, so that's how it adjusted. So we can adjustment node, you can add. Yeah, so that's how we can. Yeah, so yeah, exactly. So this is an existing product, we are updating it. So right now the stock is 18, so we are going to adjust this to, let's say we just purchased 2, and then purchase, additional purchase. Yes, I want to update the record, and let's see. Yeah, as you can see, the stock quantity was updated. So this is it for the product list. We can even actually, we can actually download the CSV or print it or whatever, so on and so forth. So we can add categories, we can add brands, we can see product labels here. Let's say select a product, preview. This is the product level with the price and so on. Probably we were going to print it, so we can add more product here. Now we can preview it. Yeah, so that's it, we can print it. So we'll be printing it, we can need to print it, and yeah, we need to label it, whatever. So we have the expense list, we can add new expense list with the date, category, expense for amount, reference number, and note, and we can save it, and it will get reflected into our dashboard. We have places like the countries, states. We have countries and states, state list. We have state list, country name, and state list. Reports. This is a very feature-rich report here. We have profit and loss report, purchase report, purchase return report, purchase payments reports, item sales report, item purchase report, sales return report, sales payments report, stock report, expense report, and expired items report. Let's say we can, I don't know, let's try to show all of them, and we can export it as PDF. Actually, PDF, yeah, so PDF works nice here, as you can see. Lot number, expiry date, and stock. So that's how it works. We can even export it in Excel sheet. So the same thing for all other things is. And then the user list, and the role list, sales and purchase actions, edit. We want to give him access to, so basically you can include multiple users into the system, just like we are right now logged in as admin. So we can create new roles and we can assign them different permissions, different tabs, so they will be able to see those tabs, and then we can send SMS to customers or users or whoever. And then we have a little bit of settings here, and actually we can add new currencies from here. We can adjust the tax and so on from here, tax types. We can adjust the units from here. We can, yeah, that's quite it. That's pretty much it, and there is different type of cells available here. I mean, different looking cells available here. So like this, not the regular POS. This is like this. So you select the item name. So like this. Okay, so only one item is left. Stock. Okay, fine. And yeah, so that's how actually we can generate a sales, new sales. One more thing I would like to show you is, if we go to the sales list, we can see all the sales that was made. Okay, so total invoice amount, total receipt amount, total sales due, and so on. So here, as you can see, we previously we created a sales for the customer John P, and the payment status was unpaid. So what we want to do is we want to receive a payment. So let's say total due is this one, and he just paid, let's say, 1,000 in cash. So we just save it, and as you can see, it was flagged as partial payment, and paid amount is this much, and due is still this much. So we can, let's say, receive another payment which is 2,000 in cash. So total partial payment was now this one much, and due is this much. So another thing, let's say we cash, and this is it. Oh, actually I would like to see, yeah, so this is also important. Like, we would like to adjust the dates as well from here. So when did we make the payment? So you can actually view payments here, so you can see when and how much totally paid and so on. It's quite nice. It's important, I think. So yeah, this is how everything works, and we have roles based on users. That's it. Thank you.